Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Look! A big car is leaving the garage. This is a crane. There's a heavy metal ball at the end of the boom. What kind of car is behind the yellow garage door? A yellow water truck. A blue water truck. A green water truck. And a red water truck. Let's put one water truck in the tank. Oh! There are balls in the water trucks. I wonder where the cars are taking them. Red, stop. Yellow. Green, go. A house with a yellow roof. Crane, press the button, please. Gently. Good job! The door opens. Yellow balls. And yellow fish. The yellow fish jumps into the water truck. Jump! The crane goes to open the next house. A house with a blue roof. Blue balls and blue fish. Jump into the water truck. Let's open the house with the green roof. Green balls and green fish. Jump! This house has a red roof. We open it. A red fish lives in this house. Jump! Ah! It's a ball pit. Now the cars fill it with different colored balls. Many, many balls. And here are fish. Swim, fish. Another. 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 Now the toy fish live here.
Helper cars.